Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to do a short video on how to use the Start menu in Windows 10. So basically, let's minimize this for a second. If you go down here to the Windows Start button on the lower left-hand corner and you click once on it, you're going to see all these tiles that are here on the right. And what are these tiles good for? Well, they're kind of like a way to have certain shortcuts that are easy to get to, and you can also resize them. It's easier if I show you. Here's what we're going to do. Let's say we use the calculator a lot. We can actually left click on the calculator and move it to the top of the tiles. And as you can see, the tiles go all the way down here. All you got to do is either scroll down or you can grab the slider bar there. And let's say I use the calculator so much that I don't want to have to look for it for too long. So I can make it larger by right clicking once. That's clicking once with my right mouse button, and that'll bring up this menu. From there, you can either unpin it from Start, which means to remove it from the Start menu, or I can resize it. If I put my cursor over Resize, I can turn it from a medium icon to a large icon. Now I can definitely see the calculator. Anytime I open the Start menu, boom, it's right there. If I right click on it again, I've got also another option called More, and under More I can turn Live Tile on and off. And if you turn Live Tile on and you're dealing with something like a weather app or some sort of a news app, it'll continuously update itself if it's turned on. You can also unpin it from the taskbar there or pin it to the taskbar. And there are other things like, settings, and you can rate it and stuff like that. Now, let's say that I'm not that interested in calculator. I can right click on it and I can resize it to small, and I can move it down the list. And then I can go down here and I can say, let's see, I really am interested in having Minecraft be all the way up. So then you just basically you clamp down on it with your left mouse button and slowly drag it up to near the top, and then it'll scroll up, and then you can just drop it where you want. Or let's say I don't want Minecraft at all on my Start menu, I can right click on it and unpin from Start, and there it goes. I actually do want the calculator on there, so we're going to right click and resize that back to medium, and there it goes, just like that. So you can actually, dump things at will, like food and drink, unpin from Start, unpin from Start, unpin from Start, and you can basically make the Windows Start menu look exactly the way you want it to, and that can be a very handy tool. I hope everybody found this video to be helpful, and if so, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody in the Memphis, Collierville, Germantown, Millington, Midtown, or Cordova area need computer repair help, please feel free to give me a ring, Dave Bensman, at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.